Have you ever felt that little knot of anxiety in your stomach when you hear about the latest AI breakthrough? You see headlines about AI writing code, creating art, and even diagnosing diseases? And you can't help but wonder, what does this mean for my job? What does this mean for my future? If you've had that thought, you're not alone. We're standing at the edge of a massive technological shift, and it's completely normal to feel a mix of excitement and unease. But what if I told you this isn't the end of the story? What if this AI revolution is actually hiding a massive opportunity? Today, we're going to dive deep into what I call the AI wealth paradox. It's the idea that while AI might be threatening traditional jobs, it's simultaneously unlocking a whole new world of unconventional income streams that most people haven't even thought of yet. This isn't about doomsday scenarios. It's about a strategic shift in mindset. We're going to explore how you can move from a place of fear to a position of power, leveraging AI not as a competitor, but as your most powerful partner. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have a completely new perspective and a roadmap to thrive in this new era. Let's start by being honest. Yes, AI is going to disrupt the job market. Repetitive tasks, data analysis, even some creative and administrative roles are being automated at a stunning pace. We're seeing it in customer service with chatbots, in marketing with automated content generation, and in logistics with optimized supply chains. It's easy to look at this and think, my skills are becoming obsolete. That's one side of the paradox. It's the scary side, the one that keeps us up at night. But here's the other side, the exciting side. For every task AI automates, it creates a new need, a new opportunity. Think about it. Who trains these AI models? Who fine-tunes them for specific industries? Who ensures they're operating ethically and without bias? Who's the human in the loop, guiding the AI, interpreting its outputs, and applying a layer of creativity, empathy, and strategic thinking that machines just can't replicate? That's where you come in. The future isn't about competing with AI. It's about collaborating with it. The biggest mistake you can make right now is to ignore it. The second biggest mistake is to fear it. The winning strategy is to learn how to use it. The jobs of the future won't be about doing what an AI can do. They'll be about doing what an AI asterisk can't asterisk do, and using AI to do it better, faster, and on a scale we never thought possible. So, let's get practical. What are these unconventional income streams? Let's break down a few ideas, starting with the more accessible ones and moving towards the more entrepreneurial. First, think AI-powered freelancing. This isn't just about using AI to write your emails faster. This is about supercharging your existing skills. Are you a graphic designer? Use AI image generators to brainstorm concepts in seconds. Then use your professional skills to refine and perfect the best ideas into a final product for a client. You're no longer just a designer. You're a creative director, guiding an incredibly fast and tireless assistant. Are you a writer? Use AI to outline articles, research complex topics, or generate multiple headlines to test. The AI handles the grunt work, freeing you up to focus on storytelling, unique voice, and high-level editing. You can take on more clients, deliver work faster, and produce higher quality content. Programmers can use AI assistants to debug code or write boilerplate functions, letting them focus on complex architecture and problem solving. This isn't about replacement, it's about augmentation. You're becoming a 10x version of your professional self. Second, let's talk about the AI consultant or prompt engineer. This is a role that literally did not exist a few years ago. As businesses rush to adopt AI, many have no idea how to use it effectively. They don't know how to talk to the AI to get the results they need. That's where a prompt engineer comes in. You become the expert translator between human goals and machine instructions. You could specialize in a specific AI tool, like Midjourney for visual branding, or ChatGPT for customer service scripts. You'd work with companies to build custom prompt libraries and train their teams, charging a premium for a skill that is incredibly high leverage and in demand. This is the modern-day equivalent of being the person who knew how to build a website back in the late 90s. It's a golden opportunity. Third, consider creating and selling AI-enhanced digital products. This is where things get really exciting for passive income. Let's say you're an expert in fitness. In the past, you might have written an ebook. Now, you can use AI to help you create a whole suite of products. You could generate a 12-month workout plan with variations for different fitness levels. Create a recipe book with AI-generated food photography, design, marketing materials, and even write the sales page copy. Or maybe you're a teacher. You could create customized learning plans for students. Generate endless practice quizzes on specific topics or design educational games and illustrations. The AI acts as your production team, allowing you as a solo creator to build a product suite that would have previously required a whole team and a massive budget. You could sell these products on platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, or your own website, creating an income stream that works for you even when you're not. Fourth, and this is for the more ambitious, is building a micro SaaS or AI wrapper business. SaaS stands for Software as a Service. You don't need to be a genius coder from Silicon Valley to do this. Many people are now building simple, useful tools by putting a user-friendly interface on top of a powerful AI's API. For example, you could build a tool specifically for real estate agents that uses AI to write property listings, or a tool for podcasters that generates show notes and social media posts from an audio file. You identify a specific niche, a specific pain point, and you build a simple solution that leverages the power of an existing AI model. The barrier to entry for creating a software company has never been lower. You're not building the AI from scratch. You're just cleverly packaging its power for a specific audience. These businesses can be incredibly profitable and scalable. Now, I know what some of you might be thinking. This all sounds great, but I'm not a tech person. I don't know how to code. I don't know where to start. This is the most important part of the message. The key to unlocking this new wealth doesn't start with technical skills. It starts with curiosity and a willingness to learn. Your first step is simple. Start playing. Open up ChatGPT, get access to an image generator, and just experiment. Ask it silly questions. Give it weird commands. Try to use it to help you with a small task in your current job or a personal project. The goal here isn't to become an expert overnight. The goal is to demystify the technology and build an intuition for how it thinks. You'll be amazed at how quickly you start seeing possibilities everywhere. Your second step is to follow the right people. Find creators, newsletters, and communities that are focused on the practical application of AI, not just the sensational headlines. Immerse yourself in the conversation. This is how you'll stay on top of new tools and discover new opportunities as they emerge. And finally, focus on your unique human skills. Creativity, critical thinking, empathy, communication, leadership. These are the skills that AI cannot replicate. The future belongs to those who can blend these timeless human abilities with the incredible power of artificial intelligence. Your domain expertise, your life experience, your unique perspective, that is your ultimate competitive advantage. The AI is just a tool, a powerful one, but it's you who will wield it to create something new, something valuable. So, the AI wealth paradox isn't a paradox at all. It's a choice. You can choose to see the threat, or you can choose to see the opportunity. You can choose to be disrupted, or you can choose to become the disruptor. The tools are here. They're more accessible than ever, and the playing field is still wide open. Don't let fear of the unknown hold you back. Get curious, start learning, and begin building your future. Not in opposition to AI, but in partnership with it. Thank you so much for watching. This video sparked some ideas for you. Hit that like button and subscribe for more content on navigating our AI-powered future. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. What is one way you could start using AI this week? Let's discuss it below. Till next time, stay curious.